Dennis, being a hands-on leader, would like to know more about the waste reduction opportunities indicated by his process experts. He can easily do so by accessing the PRESTO Waste Management Dashboard. The Waste Dashboard offers visibility into the portfolio of waste reduction opportunities identified by your team leaders. Waste types are fully customizable to fit your process optimization strategy. Waste opportunities that we propose include excessive controls, process defects, role and responsibility confusion, overproduction, substandard services, excessive motion, knowledge gaps, downtime and waiting, excessive manual activity, and upstream errors. Applying a further filter by KPI type, Dennis has now identified the 2 waste reduction opportunities identified by the process owner. Reviewing the Waste Reduction Opportunity Report, Team Leader Piero Alfiero tells us,
"There is an excessive amount of printing required for client reporting which I don't believe the client needs. There is also one too many controls in place verifying client share positions which we can eliminate. Resolving both these items would save us 35 minutes a day."
The waste report includes the process, IT applications used, a description, the proposed improvement opportunity, the costs and benefits, estimated feasibility, and the team leaders who have identified the opportunity. PRESTO offers multiple entry points to catalog your taxonomy of business processes. From the dashboard, team leaders enter their macro and micro processes while capturing any wastes present by completing the process waste survey. Promoting principles of lean management, PRESTO teaches your company to document operating model touch points by using the CPOC. As processes are cataloged digitally, so are your suppliers, so are your customers, and so are the inflows and outflows that are detrimental to your company's success. PRESTO's easy-to-use process mapping workbench gives team leads the tool they need to identify each business interaction and its required support applications while giving your IT team visibility into poor-performing IT touchpoints. Reviewing the tax reclaim accounting process, we see a faulty incoming interaction on an electronic feed from the client services team. By drilling into this inflow, we learned that upstream issues with formats from incoming client queries are causing a bottleneck. Dennis is convinced and decides it's time to take action.